Good morning, guys. Back here on this ADU. We were here at the end of the day on Saturday. We got our batter boards up, got it all squared up. So today we'll be excavating the footing, and here's what we got going. We got 1 foot footings by, I believe, 16 inches. So when you mark your footings you actually want to mark just a little bit wider so you have room for your stakes and the lumber. Okay guys, we got our footings dug. Footings are all dug up into this point. We're going to leave this side. We have a footing going in right here. We're going to leave it closed for now so I can get in here with the Bobcat and level this out a little bit, kind of get it compacted. And then we got a footing going along the house here, about 1 foot wide, 6 inches deep as well, all the way around here. And we're going to start setting forms right now. We've got this little corner to finish cleaning up right here. Thanks, Leslie.
Bye,
See you.
Have a great day.
All right, you too. Take care. Thank you very much. Hasta luego, Leo. Gracias. Muy bien. Thank you, guys. All right, have a good one. Thank you. So here's the detail 15, page SD1. I'm going to go 12 inches wide by 12 inches depth.
And that's just right here, right?
Yeah, it's just by the house. Okay, so can you hold me a foot by killing it right here? So what you're going to do is kind of put your leg here, and then you just use your leg to kind of hold it, because I'm gonna pull a little tight. 24-1 right here. Come towards me 1.5 inches menos. You good over there, Pablo? Come towards the house, Georgia, a little bit menos. Digo, right there. You want to hold it over there again? Ahora sí la apretamos, pero machín. We got all our uprights in. Now we're gonna set our forms. Good morning, guys. We're back here on this ADU job. We'll be installing the sand, getting this compacted, finish digging this footing, and install our form. Okay guys, so right here we added a thin layer of sand just to go over the dirt because it had a little bit of clay in it, it wouldn't allow us to compact it with the clay and the dirt. It would get too sticky and stick to the bottom of the compactor. So we added a thin layer of sand over the top of it so we could add a good amount of water and be able to compact it. Now we need to get it up to 6 inches from the string down, 6 inches. That allows us 2 inches of sand over our plastic and leaves 4 inches for the concrete. Okay guys, we got our sand in here with there's a rock mixture in it. You can see it here. Pretty solid now. We got it up to 6 inches. We'll do our plastic next, but we're going to leave it at this point here so the plumbers can get in here and install their plumbing. Now we need to go ahead and dig this footing real quick, set this form, and then call it a day on this job. Once the plumbing's done, we'll get back here and finish the rest of the steps. Install our plastic, more sand on top of the plastic, 2 inches, and then wire mesh and rebar top and bottom. We're back here at this ADU. We're gonna finish it up, get it ready for concrete. Our plumbing's in, all the plumbing installed. So here's the J-bolt, guys. You wanna, trying to hold it with one hand here. You want to leave about that much thread underneath it. I don't know if you guys can see that there. So, about a ½ inch of thread underneath it. You don't want them sitting too low. Pour around it. This one needs to slide in a little bit right there. This one can go here. This one down here. So right here, guys, we are starting to clean the footings. We came up with this idea to screw a stake to a 3/4 inch pipe. It ended up working out really good because with the pipe being flexible but yet strong, at the same time it helped to be able to push the loose dirt into a pile where we could then get a shovel and scoop it out after that. Oh wow. They've already been selling. Did you put, which one is the one you cut? This one?
Yeah. This is the bigger one, that's the 5-foot one.
Alright, let me see this one. It might be perfect. On this side over here, probably. Hey guys, wire mesh is in. We got our adobes raising it up. 2 top and bottom here. Number 4s. Got our top and bottom over here. 1 top, 1 bottom. Number 4 as well. Our bolts are in. Ready for inspection. Footings are cleaned. Okay guys, if you made it this far, thank you for watching. If you got any value out of this video, please hit that like button. stay tuned for our next video where we will be pouring this job out. All right, here's a little sneak peek of what we're going to be doing. Thank you guys.